Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys Kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala style cucumber curd recipe. Very tasty and yummy recipe from Kerala. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 200 grams or 1.5 cup of chopped yellow cucumber. Add 4 green chilli slits, 1 teaspoon salt, 1.5 cup of water. Mix it well. Close the lid. Cook on medium flame for 5 minutes. In the meanwhile, we can make the grinded paste. In a grinder jar, take 3/4 cup of grated coconut, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 cup of water. Grind it into a paste form. After 5 minutes, open the lid. It has cooked well. Now add the grinded paste to it. Also add 2 cups of curd, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix it well. Cook for a minute on low flame. Careful not to boil.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
After 1 minute, switch off the flame. Finally, for seasoning, in a pan take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds. After mustard seeds buttering, keep it low flame. Add 2 dry red chilies cut into halves, some curry leaves. Mix it well. Saute it for a minute on low flame. Switch off the flame. Add this on top of the curry. Don't stir it now. Close the lid and stir only after 10 minutes. This helps absorbing the flavors. After 10 minutes, open the lid and mix it nicely. Kerala style cucumber curd recipe is ready. If we are making in this quantity, we can serve it for 5 portions.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.